14th year na po with ABS-CBN. Nabahan ako kasi nga this is my first project without Donnie and Secret. It took us 2 years po to build that home. I'm dipping my toes in music. And contract that I have with ABS-CBN, and I think this just solidifies that I am forever kapamilya. So I'm very proud of it and I'm very excited later. Well, I feel like I want to do something that would really teach me, you know, throughout my journey acting. I want to learn more. I mean, every project na pasukan ko, that's my goal po talaga is to learn more. And hopefully after this, I would do roles or encounter roles that would really challenge me as an actress, and you know, really just I want to explore what I can do pa po. It's actually my 14th year na po with ABS-CBN, so I really have been with ABS-CBN ever since I was 9. Tama po ba man?
Belle, speaking of your project, can you share lang how was the experience working with Papa P, the Diamond Star, and Direk Cathy?
Grabe, nung una kaming nag-shoot, syempre may kaba po ako. Nakakakaba kasi, oh my gosh, it's the Diamond Star, si Papa P, and then si Direk Cathy. Pero, it's our, nung days na kami nag-shoot, para talagang naging pamilya ko sila on set, na masasabi kong on and off set, hindi kami mapapag-iwalay. And nakakatawa kasi para akong nagkaroon ng mga mentors that I can really look up to. They're also caring, and sobrang, alam kong all throughout this movie na ginagawa namin, madami po ako matututunan sa kanila. I'm so excited for you guys to actually watch it.
Does it feel ba like a new chapter in a way? Kasi nga, parang syempre associated ka with Donnie din, and maraming projects kayo together, and now, parang this is a solo, in a way, solo project, and tingin ng fans din. Parang how are you working on a project na ikaw lang, di ba?
Well, yung una po talaga, I would admit na kinabahan ako kasi nga this is my first project without Donnie, and we've been Donnie for how long? For 5 years almost. Siyempre may nakakakaba, pero at the same time, he's also very supportive naman, and we've been vocal about it naman that we're there for each other as long as both of us grow, whether that's together or apart. We're gonna be there to support one another. He actually visited us on set. Nakakatawa kasi sabi niya, ganito pala kayo mag-shoot. Nagulat siya kasi di niya kalain na gano'n na ako ka-close sa kanila. Nung una, mahihain talaga pa ako. Tapos ngayon, sobrang nag-develop na yung chemistry namin there on set as a family talaga.
So, wala masyadong adjustment, no?
May adjustment po nung una, syempre. Syempre, kinakapa ko pa po yung nakaka-work ko. Sina Papa P. Syempre, may pressure, di ba? Na parang, kailangan one take ito, kailangan perfect ito. Pero, sobrang talaga na, sobrang i-guide ka po nila. Doon po ako sobrang na-amaze sa kanila kasi gina-guide din nila ako. Si Inay, when I'm on set, first ever scene ko with her, kaming dalawa, kinabahan ako kasi syempre, kailangan ko yung one take. Oh, that's Inay, that's our Diamond Star. Pero she was really there to like guide me. She gave me tips too, na parang sabi sa akin, anak, hinga ka ng malalim bago ka mag-take para mabitawan mo yung gantong boses na gusto mong gawin. So, sobrang alalay po talaga sila, and sobrang napamahal ako sa kanila lahat.
May romantic arc yun, yung film.
Family romance, yeah. It's gonna really revolve around the story of a family, and a lot of us will relate to this.
Speaking of, you know, mentioning Donnie, pero may projects naman tayong aabangan.
Yes,
from
of
Don
course.
Bell.
Hindi ko alam actually kung pwede sabihin. Pero first, meron po. And I think I said it naman na in one interview, I think, that we're gonna do something after this. So, abangan. Ayoko magsalita. Lagi akong ganito po. Dami pa po. I did the kontrabida. I haven't done horror. So hopefully those action. You never know. I really just want to do something that would challenge me po.
You Can Buy Me Love, medyo may family din yun eh.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
May dynamics. And you're still close with your sisters there, di ba?
Yes, in the Highlands and Maries. Wala, baka ma-spoil ka.
Okay
na po. Pero I'm so close with them, yeah. We still talk to each other. May group po kami actually. So, parang from time to time, pag may, like last time, Maurice just had their premiere night for Sunshine. She's so amazing there. I went to visit her, you know, watch her premiere. I'm so proud of her. And si Kyla naman, she's doing a lot of things now. And I'm just so proud of them po. Wow! Parang sabi ko nung una, hindi ko siya ma-imagine actually nung una kasi parang maniniwala ba ako drawing. Parang gano'n na siya nung una. Pero nakakatawa kasi it took us 2 years po to build that home. And syempre, it's so nice to be able to wake up to a place where you just envisioned and something that you really dreamt of. And finally, I'm actually sleeping there and going home there. Parang every time na uwi ako from work, galing taping or galing man saan, dyan yung bahay, I really look forward to going home and seeing my family, being able to eat there in one table with them, and just seeing my dogs, you know, play around. It's so nice to have a home. It's like, it's so nice na nakaka-uwi ako doon. Actually, my mom and I have been very hand-to-hand in terms of this house po. It's so nice because, you know, all of us, my siblings, we all have our own like vision sa bahay. Like we all have our own taste po sa bahay. But what's so nice, it complements each other. And my mom has been there to guide us all throughout. Like, okay, what do you want to do? You want to have your own space? My mom's been very respectful of our own privacy as well. She's really been a good mom to us in terms of that, deciding what we want. Okay, for my space naman, since I have my own area there, what do you want? Talagang hands-on siya. So, sobrang nakakataba ng puso po talaga. And I'm so happy. And yeah, I look forward to going home every day. Syempre, homey. I wanted to be very homey kasi syempre, after a long day, gusto mo umuwi sa, di ba, na masarap matulog, tulog mo. Paano ko ba describe? It's very simple actually. My area there is very simple. I don't want it to be loud in the eyes because I want it to be relaxing. So really, that's what I focus on. Housewarming na po ako.
Nakapunta na si Donnie, o di ba?
Nagpaplano kami actually pumunta doon with the rest of the cast of Meet, Greet, and Bali. So, we'll see. But we did the housewarming kasabay halos ng birthday ko and ng sister ko po.
Okay. Can you talk about your plans for new music?
I wanted this time to be something different from what we've heard before. So, we're actually really planning it. We're deciding on a bunch of things na I've been talking to Star Music and Star Pop too. And I'm so excited kasi sabi ko talaga, I really want to be hands-on on this and I want to be able to write more than what I've written before. So, hopefully this time makasulat na talaga ako ng buo kasi yun yung feeling ko problem ko when it comes to writing. I'm so good at the beginning. Tapos pag tatapusin ko, okay, I need a bit of guidance. But I'm so grateful that I get to collaborate with great singers and great writers, composers that would really help me to learn more about the passion for music. Kasi nga parang I grew up po talaga sa acting and parang I'm dipping my toes in music and talagang throughout the process of just finding my voice in music, mas na-in love ako for the art of it.
Pero this year pa yan? Ano, Bel?
Secret! Hindi
pa. Pero nag-start ka na mag-write? May mga sinusulat ka na?
Actually, may mga nasulat na po ako before.
Na bago?
Hopefully, yung mga nasulat ko
before
hindi ko pa na-release.
Okay.
So, hopefully this time, matapos ko siya kasi sabi ko, Lara, paano ba to? Kasi ganun yun when you're writing something, minsan it only takes you 2 hours to write. Sometimes it's gonna take you 2 months to write. And sabi ko, kailangan ko tapusin to kasi I wanted to be a part of this album. But definitely, it's gonna be different from the previous ones.
As a teacher, ano mga themes na can we expect? And at saka tonally, ano yung sound you're going for?
In terms of tone of the music, I don't want to tease anything yet, but in terms, because we're still deciding on it, but in terms of tone, I hope once we release this music, people will actually feel light and maybe dance to it. I don't know. We'll see. Sometimes po, may mood ako na parang parang wala na matutulog ako, tapos magigising ako. Parang sabi ko, gusto ko magsulat. Okay, susulat ko siya, and minsan naka-note siya. Pero, yung iba kasi, they do the tune first before they actually write. So, but for me, I think it works if I write it first before I add the music to it. So, parang, ayun po, ganun ako minsan out of nowhere. Minsan kakalabas ko nga lang ng shower, biglang okay, may gusto ko isulat.
Na-inspire ka.
May ganun talaga, or or like, let's say if I'm watching something na I wanna write about, that's what I'll do.
So, everyday experiences mo, yun yung inspiration.
Yes, or and not just from me, I get from other people too. Like, whenever I talk to my friends, or like, my family, or I watch something, parang if I take inspiration from them too. Therapeutic siya, pero pag hindi mo matapos, parang nakaka-stress siya, pero sobrang nakakatuwa kasi so beautiful how we're able to express ourselves or express something we want to express through words and through music, diba? I wanted to understand music more at first, pero now that I really, I guess I have a grasp of the art of music. I see it as a way to vent nga, and I see it as, yun nga, parang it's therapeutic and it's healing. I've been into... Sometimes I watch series when I'm just home, or like I work out, I run. I love running. I've been running a lot recently. Yeah. Parang sobrang natuwa po ako. Parang gusto ko maging yung nakikita niyo on Instagram, okay, I ran 10 kilometers a day. Kahit hirap po sa 10 kilometers.
Achievement yun, diba?
Yeah, sobrang, pati parang iba talaga yung sense, yung feeling niya. Parang pag nakadating ka dun sa peak na, okay, I can do more, I can run more. So may ganun siya. So I've been into running. Yeah, just being with my family. It's like those days na 3 days ko, I really unwind with them. Like, sometimes we just stay, we stay in the house now, we watch a movie together, I play with my dogs. Kasi every time nagtitaping ako, may-miss ko yung mga aso ko talaga. So sabi ko, okay, I play with them. Yeah, yun po.
Well, 14 years na in the industry, right? What keeps you inspired? Parang what keeps you going despite may mga challenges talaga, may bashers and everything. Anong sa'yo? Motivate?
Dami po actually. Sobrang grateful ko po na may times kasi talaga na yun nga po, there will be hardships that we encounter. But I guess that's also one message that I wanna tell everyone too, because really I feel like one of my purpose in the industry is to inspire people na parang no one's perfect. There will be times that we'll encounter a lot of fallbacks, a lot of failures, but then you can rise above that. And I'm so grateful that I'm surrounded with people that inspire me. My mom, my supporters, they really are my inspiration. They remind me why I want to do what I want, what I love doing. Kasi syempre, minsan napapagod tayo, na-overwhelmed tayo. That's completely normal. But then, we have to, what's not normal is if we don't rise above these challenges. And I hope that through this, I get to remind them that everything's gonna be okay. You can rise above all of this. Just have faith. Everything's gonna be fine.